Are you interested in exploring the world of cybersecurity and ethical hacking? Well, you're in luck. You can now install Kali Linux Purple on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. Kali Linux Purple is a powerful operating system widely used for cybersecurity purposes. Here's a simple guide on how to get it up and running on your Windows machine. To start, you'll need to download and install software called WSLWLLWMLSL. SSL allows you to run a Linux environment on your Windows system. You can find WSL in the Microsoft Store, and it's a straightforward installation process. Once WSL is set up, head over to the Kali Linux website and download the Kali Linux Purple image. This image is specifically designed for Windows subsystem for Linux. After downloading, you can extract the contents to a location of your choice. Next, open the WSL terminal and navigate to the folder where you extracted the Kali Linux Purple files. Run the installation script and let it do its magic. This process might take a bit of time, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Kali Linux Purple from the Start menu or by typing Kali in the WSL terminal. Congratulations! You now have Kali Linux Purple running on your Windows system. For Kali Linux Purple, you have access to a wide range of tools and resources for ethical hacking and cybersecurity testing. Remember to use these tools responsibly and ethically. Happy hacking!